Hey there, come on in. My name is Nikki, and today I am sharing what I was able to do in a productive sense on this day. As you see here, I have some catching up to do on laundry. This was the girls' first day back at school after winter break, and so I am getting started after drop-off and my 30 minutes on the bike. And this has become the new routine, and it's been really great for me. Eventually, I hope to be able to get on the bike before the kids get up, but until that is reasonably possible, we just gonna keep on keeping on. Life has been kicking me in the lady balls so hard. I don't want to be negative or depressing, but this is my real life, and it hasn't been easy. In fact, the past almost 6 months have been the hardest months that I have ever lived through, and even though it's a new year, it's just not over. There's still a long road ahead of me, and the hardest part is going on with life and doing the things. So today we are just doing what we can, and that's going to be enough. But enough about me. How are you doing? I hope that this video finds you well in your place in the world. Please let me know in the comments what brings you by today. Now that the bed is cleared off and made, I need to get laundry started, but before I can do that, I need to get the clean laundry that didn't make it upstairs the night before and throw it on the bed so that I can use my basket to collect the dirty clothes. So we have a load of towels and a load of whites to sort out, and we will get to folding that later. I have been so backed up on laundry. It has just been laundry and dishes and laundry and dishes. I really hope that you and yours had a wonderful Christmas or holiday season. Check out this hunky blanket that my oldest got for Christmas. The kids had a lot of fun, and they got way too much, as always. And my dang tree and decorations are still up at the moment, and I'm really hoping to have them put away as soon as possible. I heard on the radio that last Friday or Saturday was like the last day to take down the tree before you're just cursed with a year of bad luck. Well, I missed that mark. Not for a lack of trying, though. But it's okay. I don't believe in all that jazz anyway. Anybody else still got their tree up? No? Just me? Okay. Now I'm going to sort through all of the dirty laundry and start a load of white towels, and that's going to be the only load that I am worried about today. And so next we can move into the kitchen, and I can show you that disaster. As you can see, we are way behind on dishes here. This is how the kitchen was left the night before. I had a sick 4-year-old at the time as well, and neither of us had been getting any sleep, and so things are a mess. And spoiler, we don't get it all done on this day, but we get a lot done. The missing kitchen chair is holding you up, by the way. Getting good angles in this house is always a challenge, but we make it work. If you notice that pill bottle in the background, I took myself off of my antidepressants kind of by mistake back at Thanksgiving. I ended up missing a couple doses over that break and just decided to go ahead and push through. And I'm so glad to be off of them. I am working really hard to get back to myself, and I feel like that was a big step in the right direction. But I'm not a doctor, so don't think of this as advice. This is just what I want from me. I was on these for years. There's no shame. I just came to a point where I realized I don't need them anymore. I did break for lunch and snuggles and to film the rest of a short on this day that I had put up, but now I am going to change over this laundry and it's time to get the girls from school and we will come back to the dishes. The weather was unseasonably warm here in Virginia on this day, and so the kids got to play outside while I worked on these dishes. And we were having leftover spaghetti from the night before, so I didn't have to worry about dinner prep or cooking, and that just made it nice. Also, Santa gifted me the ability to finally be able to use my camera that I've had forever. So your girl is jamming out since I can use my phone while filming now. Also, I'm learning the camera and I mess with the brightness and it's a tad too bright, I think, so I will adjust that for the future videos, but I have been loving using my camera. It's so crazy. I have been using my phone as a camera for so long that I forgot how to use a regular camera. I've always been into cameras and photography. It was really a big hobby of mine growing up, and it feels so good to connect with that part of myself again. And it's not a good time around the kitchen sink without my jams and giving my kids a full-blown concert that they didn't ask for. So I love that I can film while bumping Britney and popping and locking it. Now I'm getting ready to heat up the spaghetti for dinner, so stopping with the dishes for now, and we will pick back up on laundry after dinner. totally forgot to turn on my ring light there for a minute, so apologies, but this laundry is going to wrap up today's video. I didn't go to bed with an empty sink, but it was almost empty instead of overflowing, so that's progress. And I finished all the laundry on this day, so that's a huge win. I hope that even though we didn't do it all, that this video gave you the motivation to get through the things that you need to do. And I hope that this allows you to give yourself the grace that you deserve if you are living in a big-ish show like me. Life isn't perfect and we are only human, so be proud of the human that you are. Thank you so much for coming over and hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate you. I'll see you soon. Take care of you. Bye.